this is Guy. Today I'd like to speak with you about what is the Be Secure program from Baroan Technologies. The Be Secure program is the security and maintenance and management offering that Baroan Technologies provides our clients. And basically what that means is that we proactively maintain your desktops, your servers, and your network to make sure that we reduce the risk of any kind of a security breach through leveraging vulnerability updates, patching, also security related services for your users such as end user awareness training, dark web monitoring and scanning, simulated email phishing on a monthly basis to help educate the users about what to look for. We also provide an advanced endpoint protection that not only looks at a virus definition database or malware, it actually looks at the activity that the files are doing, are performing, to ensure that they're not malicious. On top of that, we're monitoring the network for any kind of firmware updates, any kind of issues that exist on the network to help to troubleshoot things faster. And then ongoing patching, updates to servers, rebooting the servers, workstations, desktops, laptops, anything that is on the network that's being used by the users, we are proactively maintaining. What we find when we proactively maintain these systems is that the number of issues that people have when they're dealing with the technology, it goes down dramatically. As a matter of fact, we at Baroan have developed a proprietary automated tool that allows auto remediation for many of the issues that users have, so you don't even have to get involved with opening up a help desk ticket. This allows us to resolve more issues than many other organizations or software tools provide by simply taking care of them before they become a big enough issue where they cause downtime for the user.